Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how I personally check the financials of a stock or a company on Google Finance. This is super useful if you're trying to understand a company's performance, track trends, or just get a better overall picture of how a business is doing. When I open Google Finance, the first thing I do is search for a stock I'm interested in. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Once I'm on Tesla's page, I scroll down all the way to the bottom until I see the Financials section. Here, I like to explore all the different options. You've got the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow. If I want to check the income statement, I usually switch between quarterly and annual to get a sense of short-term versus long-term performance. The balance sheet works the same way, quarterly or annual, and it gives me insight into assets, liabilities, and equity. And the cash flow section is just as simple to navigate, helping me see operating, investing, and financing activities. I often like to compare these reports side by side because it helps me understand revenue trends, expenses, profitability, and even cash management. I also pay attention to ratios, margins, and other metrics that show how efficiently the company is running. Using Google Finance this way really makes it easy to stay informed and make better decisions. So, that's basically how I view Tesla's financials on Google Finance. Very simple, very straightforward, and it's a great way to analyze any company or stock you're interested in. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you understand how to check financials better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and insights. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.